Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hi Colorado, Clee Crocker here. Well, it's here, it's Memorial Day now. Today is Friday the 15th, and the Memorial Day sales run all the way through June the 3rd. So here's the problem. Here's where you gotta really strategize to get a good deal, because stock is very limited. What you're gonna find out is that many of the factories from all the brands, and we don't know which ones, some of them are shutting down, some of them are opening up, and that's made supply a bit sparse. And it's not any one particular retail. All retailers are going to feel this. In fact, I was looking at the Home Depot website, Lowe's website, even some of the stuff we have here at Appliance Factory, and are seeing that it's really across the board. But the good news is the way we purchase, we buy this stuff in advance. We have stuff that's in stock and ready to take with today if you need it. We still have really good timing on our delivery, so we look pretty good. I think we're in a better position than anywhere else. So I just want to tell you, the most important thing to you is, if you're trying to have something by Memorial Day, you need to get in before Memorial Day to buy it. The people that come in the soonest are going to have the best deals. All the prices are on right now. It's not going to be any better between now and Memorial Day. But my recommendation to you is the sooner the better, because folks that wait will have to wait into the end of June or July or August to get the stock that you're looking for. So if you want that kitchen now, now's the time you really want to come in, or the sooner the better, okay? So let me give you an example of some of the things. I did some comparison today. I'm going to talk to you about probably one of the finest brands that we have on the floor. It's called KitchenAid. It is one of the nicest brands out there. It is considered to be a premium brand, and people come in looking for that. So I checked it, and I checked our pricing, the way we structure our pricing against our competition. This is what I found out. So, and I'm just going to read from a chart real quick, because there's a lot of kitchen deals going on right now. But KitchenAid, here's a KitchenAid right here, a French door KitchenAid stainless steel package. Sells for $35.38 after all the extra discounts that we give and the rebates that we have that are exclusive to us. You're going to be below the competition by buying that package by about $1,500. Here's another one. It's one of those nice black stainless kitchens. Below the competition, about $1,800. Here's another one, a nice KitchenAid. This is one of those 5-door KitchenAids. Really a beautiful kitchen, and it's a family size. Below the competition, over $1,000. So you can see, if you're really looking for deals, really we're the store to come get. And this is Appliance Factory, and we're all throughout the state, and we're in a few other states. So I really would look us up. Get to the store the quickest, where we can get the stock the best. So how about some other brands? Same thing, Whirlpool kitchens, black stainless, $800 less than the competition. Whirlpool stainless kitchen, these are all French door kitchens, $800 less than the competition. I've got some more. Here's Samsung. It's kitchen for under $2,000. We have special buys on refrigeration, really cool, whooping the competition again. And then, I'm just going to go through it real quick. There's some other brands in there. LG, $760 lower than competition. A really nice French door from them. A really nice kitchen. We're over $1,000 under our competition. So if you're looking for kitchens, sooner the better is the message, and exclusive deals are only found at Appliance Factory. Let's go over some. Okay, I'm back. We're here in front of front load washer and dryer by Whirlpool. Here's the same message that I told you a while ago. The sooner the better. Most stock is available right now because factories, again, are delayed. So what do we have for you in laundry? Well, this is probably the most sought after piece that we have. It is a front load washer and dryer set. And we do actually have plenty of these in stock. So I'd get in and look at this one. The price on this one, it's under $1,000. It's like $994 for the set. And nobody touches that. I think the lowest price I saw out there in another brand was $549, but this is actually the lowest price in the market, so I'd come in after that. But same thing as before, I went through and compared us to the competition in front loads. We're $150 lower, $562 lower, $98 lower, $252 lower, $150 lower. I mean, I just go on and on. Here's one a top load high efficiency set. We're $762 lower than any of our competitors. That's a nice Samsung top load set. It's got the sink inside. It's just a great set. I've talked about that one before. The set itself, washer and dryer, $697 each. It's really, really good. So there's just too much in here for me to talk about. The deals go on and on and on. Here's some things I just want to let you know. All the big guns right now are running rebates. So we've got rebates in KitchenAid. We have rebates in GE Profile and Cafe. LG is running 5 to 10% off. Maytag, it's Maytag month. You're not going to find better deals than right now in Maytag. Samsung, again, 4-piece kitchen package, take another 10% off. So laundry, we got laundry deals with extra rebates. The new GE washer and dryer front loads that I've been talking about so much, they're actually at a rebate. As long as you buy the pedestals with them, you'll get an extra $100 beyond the Memorial Day pricing. Another one here. This is really cool. These are Appliance Factory exclusives. Right now, buy a 4-piece kitchen suite from GE Profile or GE Cafe, their really nice premium line, or do it in KitchenAid. We're going to give you an extra $300 beyond all the sale prices. It's really cool. It's only available at Appliance Factory Mattress Kingdom.